Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Crypto.com to MetaMask. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. To start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to connect Crypto.com to MetaMask. It will then direct you here. You can see right here the step-by-step process. It says here that we need to download first the MetaMask or sign in to your MetaMask account. After that, copy your deposit address. Next is to sign in to Crypto.com, and then after that, you need to go to your spot wallet. And then, find the coin you want to send. And then, select the withdraw button. After that, select external wallet address and input your MetaMask deposit address, then confirm the transaction. That's it. It's just simple and easy. Try it out. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.